Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all. It is Monday, November 13th. Monday, November 13th, right now. Next week is Thanksgiving, y'all. Yes, next week is Thanksgiving. I'm coming on here right now to kind of check up, give y'all a little update, and see what y'all are and where you should be. Tell you where you should be in your Thanksgiving meal prep. As you know, I started in uh October, way before Halloween, putting out Thanksgiving tips. I've been putting recipes out every day, trying to get a head start so y'all have no excuse for not being prepared. Number one, you should have your turkey stock in the freezer. It should be done. Also, at the next level, you should have your giblet gravy cooked, ready, done in the freezer. You can do that ahead of time, y'all. Put your giblet gravy in the freezer. Of course, you got to make your turkey stock first, but after that, make your giblet gravy. Put it in the freezer. Freeze you, like I did mine. When you make the thing of turkey stock, I use half of my dressing, cornbread dressing, and use the other half of my gravy. So you should have enough turkey stock in your freezer to make your cornbread dressing. Your giblet gravy should be frozen. That's to me, that's the biggest thing to get done and put in the freezer. Cheese sauce, you can freeze that. You can make a batch of cheese sauce, put it in the freezer. When you warm it up, put a little milk in there as it heats up very, very slowly on a low temperature. You can make your cheese sauce ahead of time. That way you can make your macaroni, your ground potato. You also can make broccoli casserole and green bean casserole out of cheese sauce. Yes, you can. You can do that too. So make your batch of cheese sauce, put it in the freezer. All you gotta do is pull it out. Uh, Another thing, stores is going to start running out by this weekend of turkey necks, turkey butts, giblets. Going to be hard to find next week. Giblets going to be like searching for gold in Alaska. It's going to be hard to find an easy thing. Y'all need to get that now. You ain't got to worry about turkeys. You know, the last couple of years they've been a scarce on turkeys. Turkeys everywhere. This coming week, y'all, I want myself some notes. I'm gonna be doing my herb butter. That's another thing you put in the freezer. I'm gonna try to have herb butter by Wednesday, Thursday video out. Herb butter I use for my turkey. I do a herb roasted turkey every year. Nice, juicy, flavorful turkey. People have done it, and this is a game changer for them. After you brine your turkey, it's a game changer. Put the herb butter under the skin on top and roast it 3.5, 4 hours. It's absolutely amazing juicy turkey. I don't even like turkey, but it takes it to the next level. So you can do your herb butter. I'm gonna have that video come out probably middle of the week. You can put that in your refrigerator or you can freeze it. It'll be perfectly fine in the refrigerator. End of this week, probably Sunday, roast turkey gonna come out. I probably have the turkey brine need to come out. Maybe I figure probably Friday. I probably won't do a seafood recipe. On Friday, I'll probably do turkey brine. And then this coming Sunday, I'll probably have a roast turkey recipe, a roast turkey video come out. So y'all will have that already. But I need to do cranberry sauce. Cranberry sauce will probably be next week. That's very simple. I do a real cranberry sauce, y'all, with the cranberries. And it's very good. So cranberry orange, cranberry orange, really with some cranberry orange juice, orange zest. It's really good. Sugar. That's all it is. It's very good. I mean, I grew up on the old school. I still use in the can the what's the name? What's the name of it? Ocean. What is it? Ocean something. Ocean spray. Ocean whatever. Cranberry sauce in the can. I use that one, but I do like the cranberry relish. Uh, I'm gonna probably do a German chocolate cake. I love German chocolate cake. Y'all know I don't eat chocolate, but I love German chocolate cake for Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna try to get that done also. But the thing is, y'all, it's time now this week to get stuff going. Do not wait till next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to go to the store. It's gonna be a madhouse. Ain't no schools next week, and everybody gonna be out shopping in these stores. And I don't want y'all, my old school soul food family members, out there trying to be in these streets out here with these other people that's not prepared. Because I'm putting the video, like I said, started the video out in October, letting y'all know, okay, this, and this. You also Like I say, you can freeze your cake. Like I say, if I'm making a German chocolate cake, I can take the cake, bake it, and to that point, don't ice or nothing like that. Wrap it in plastic wrap, then foil, and lay it in the freezer. And then the day I want to make it, just take it out, let it thaw out, ice it, and it's good to go. I don't recommend freezing any kind of pies, y'all. That's just me. Because to me, when the pie thaw out, the coolness and the moisture that gets in the pie, it makes it separate from the crust. And that's just my personal opinion. If you want to freeze pies, you can. What you can do, if you want to do it like this, especially sweet potato pie, you can make the sweet potato pie, put the filling in there, freeze it raw, take it out, then bake it till it's cooked. Sweet potato pie come out perfect like that. I've done that many, many times. Do it all the way up to the baking process. Put the filling in there, wrap it in plastic foil, lay it in your freezer. Thanksgiving morning or the day before Thanksgiving, take your pie and then bake it for 45 minutes to an hour, how long it takes. Sweet potato pie will definitely work like that. So, yeah, I just want to help y'all because I'd hate to see people. Thanksgiving not supposed to be a day for stressing. It's supposed to be a fun-filled day. And if you organize, you can do it flawlessly. I used to do, of course, y'all know I used to work every Thanksgiving, but Christmas I was off. And for like 10, 12 years straight, I used to have a Christmas party here at my house. I had over 25 items, cook items. I had everything from when people walk in, I had stations where you pick up stuff and start eating it. I had like 10, 12 desserts. And of course, I had the traditional buffet down in the middle of my house here, a traditional turkey dressing. I had chitlins on there. And people say, how do you do all this in the house? And I was working too on top of this too, plus planning a party that week. But I did it because if you organize, you do things ahead of time, and be efficient in the kitchen, and you can do it. Anybody can do what I can do. Probably some people better. All it takes to be organized, be clean, work efficient, and clean as you go. You can. Y'all seen my Super Bowl party. Y'all seen party I do live here. All that's done here, and it's all prepped here. It's all about working efficient and clean. I was trained and drilled like that as a young chef growing up by a real one of my mentors I'll never forget that really showed me how to work clean, efficient, organized, and stuff like that. And that's the way I do. And y'all see in my videos, I do the same thing. But I just want y'all to do the same way. You get ahead of yourself, and like I said, I'm trying to put the videos out early, and I've already got a lot out. Did the turkey, I did the cornbread dressing, like I say, giblet gravy, the macaroni and cheese, the gratin potato, cheese sauce. I've done all that already. And the only thing I have to do now is get the turkey brine, which is easy, herb butter, the turkey, and like I say, I'm gonna do some buttermilk pie, maybe German chocolate cake. All that's coming up in the next week, 10 days. So, and when the Thanksgiving day get here, I'll be sitting here on my way. I'm gonna do a video before I head to Dallas. I'm spending Thanksgiving course, in Arlington, watch the Cowboy game. That's a tradition for me now. Growing up, I always watched it on TV, and always was a goal of mine to attend Cowboy games on Thanksgiving, and now I can attend it as a season ticket holder. So yeah, that was a goal of mine. So anyway, I just want to step on here. I will be live tonight. We can from between 5 to 6 p.m. Central Time. So if you want to join me, I'm every Monday tonight, 5 to 6 p.m. YouTube here, and I'm gonna be on Facebook probably this week sometime. I'll let y'all know if y'all follow me on Facebook. It'll probably be Thursday. Uh, because Friday I have a football playoff game to go to on Friday. So I'll let you know. I need to go on Facebook and talk to my old school soulful family on Facebook. But tonight, 5, 6 p.m., I'll be live. I'll be giving all the kind of tips you need to know for Thanksgiving and next Monday as well. Anything you need to know, just pop in. And I'm pretty much quick. If you ask me something, I'm going to be quick on it because sometimes the screen is rolling, and I'm going to try to answer your question as quick and efficient as possible because I know it's very important to you, and I want y'all Thanksgiving to be flawless. That's very important to me, y'all. I'm not just saying that. It really means something that I had a little part of y'all Thanksgiving, and I love to hear the emails or direct messages or somebody leave voicemails and that how they Thanksgiving was efficient and nice, and their family and friends and neighbors. really was complimentary on their food, and that brings joy to my heart. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023. Just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. I'll see y'all tonight, 5 p.m. Love y'all. Bye.